Hello, Blue Justin here, still Justin, still not blue, and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing whilst I had some little bit of time. I might store this one up for a while, so I don't know when you're going to get to see it, but always better to have one ready to show than to not. This is going to be an unboxing of something you can only get from the States. It took me a while to get it in, but I don't know whether it's still available. And it is the 4K of the Arrow release for Django. And it's got some nice stuff in it, so let's have a go. Let's get on with it, shall we? Right, that's the set. It is Django. It's not a steelbook like I normally tend to do the unboxings for, but it is 4K, and it is a nice little set there, as you can see, and it's Arrow. So this is one of the definitive spaghetti westerns by Franco Nero, and giving his career-defining performance as the mysterious loner, and it's all quite interesting stuff. We've got the 4K itself, which is it's a new scan. It's HDR10 compatible, but then you can tell that because it says it on the front. It's got the uncompressed mono PCM audio, the original English and Italian soundtracks, the English subtitles for the Italian subs, or the Italian soundtracks obviously, and the optional English subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing for the English soundtracks. So I'm assuming that means that they've got different English subtitles depending on whether you're putting them on to listen to the Italian or whether you're doing it because you having trouble hearing, which is really nice actually. It's got some collectible bits, but we'll go and see that in a minute. The important things we have here, though, I will just go quickly through. Well, not that quickly, you know me. The main disc is Django itself, which is the 4K. It's got an audio commentary by a film critic, an interview with the star Franco Nero, an interview with the assistant director called Cannibal of the Wild West, I'm not sure why, an interview with Sergio Corbuccini's wife, Nori Corbuccini, called Sergio, My Husband, interview with a co-writer, archival interview with the co-writer Piero Vivarinelli, an archival interview with a stuntman and actor. So we've got quite a few, as you can hear there, you've got quite a few interviews and things that are being specifically recorded for this, plus the archival stuff as well. An appreciation of the spaghetti westerns with a scholar, an introduction to Django by Alex Cox. Remember, he used to do the Channel 4 introductions for their cult films. I remember archival featurette with the director, and a gallery of original promotional images from the archive and original trailers. Now, what's interesting in this one is that it has a second film in the Blu-ray. I don't know if it's got the Blu-ray of Django as well. We shall find out when I open it up. But I believe the second disc is purely the um, a different film which is called Texas Adios, which is often believed to be or accepted as the follow-up to Django. So that's also got an audio commentary, and I don't think actually that film is available in any other format, or certainly I think the UK. So it's all good new stuff, and it's even just considered a bonus for this. Audio commentary, interview with Franco Nero, interview with the co-star, archival interview with Franco Rossetti, Hello Texas, an appreciation of spaghetti westerns, gallery of promotional images and original trailers. Right, there's the front of the box. I haven't taken the front box yet. And there's the rear. As you can see, that's what we're reading all this stuff here. And right, I shall now open up so you can get a proper look. You know, it's called an unboxing because I take the box off eventually. Right, take that to the co-op. Now they take scrunchy plastic to recycle, which is really nice. That's a clearer picture of the front. So it's not shiny. It's a nice matte finish, non-reflective, so you're not blinding you if I do that. There you have it, the back. I haven't checked what region the Blu-ray is. It says it's A. The spine of the box is looking like that. The base has just got the barcode on, and the top's blank. And onto the interior contents. Out comes that's the same, but I suspect once we get it open, we might be finding that there's alternative reversible artwork, being as this is Arrrow. And let's have a little look inside. Yep, we've got some postcards. That one's advertising Arrrow films rather than the specific film. I think that's the, is that the, not the, I'm not quite sure, but it's just a general Arrrow on the back, whereas the others are specifically Django related. Though you'll be interested, I'll turn them around in a minute because they don't have a standard back like is quite common. That was the first one, wasn't it? As you can see on the back, you've got Django with his machine gun there. That's an upright one. Nice and bright. Close up of Franco Nero. There you go, that's on the back of that one. So the double-sided art cards, so double the value. And I'll just have to sort them out quickly and pop them back into the case. I don't want everything to get lost. That's okay. Right, disc wise we have Django disc, that's the 4K art There's, I don't, as I say, there isn't, it doesn't appear to be a Blu-ray for that. You just get that on 4K. So unless you've got a 4K player, you can't play Django. You can play Texas Adios, which has got nice different artwork, because that's a Blu-ray. What's the situation with? Yes, it is got a reversible sleeve. That's the reverse side. Different artwork. That's your regular artwork matching the slip. And that's quite a hefty slip, as you can hear from that. I'll just turn that around actually, since I can see the other artwork, so I don't need to have both the same. I'll probably neaten it up a bit later, but let's nail that on the outside. And what else is in this nice little box? As I was saying, it's quite sturdy. Also got, this is looking like a poster folded up. Looks like it's quite a large poster folded up, so I'm probably going to end up hiding behind it any minute. There we go. Yeah, see, that's quite a decent size, and it's double-sided. So yeah, there you go. I think that's the best I can do showing you, because I can't see what I'm showing you, to be honest. Right, very nice. I'm not such a big fan of posters in these things, because where they're folded, it's very difficult to get the creases out to make them look really good. But fingers crossed to that one. And then we have a nice little booklet. And how much? What you got in here? You got text, or you got text and pictures, yeah. And obviously, because this is a US release, the text is English friendly, which is nice for me. I'll just give you a quick flip of a few of the bits and pieces if you want to get a more detailed look. You have to push it yourself. Keep some things from surprise for you. There we go. All matte finish artwork, as is all of this actually. The poster and front. There's no gloss on the photo book, with lots of text as well. Has it got an index? Or we're just going to have to guess. Now it's got contents. It's got cast and crew. Legend is born. The D is silent by Howard Hughes. The story, The Legend Continues by Howard Hughes. The other, Sergio of Italian cinema. Sergio Corbucci on Django. Django Contemporary Reviews, compiled by Roberto Curti. Texas Adios Cast and Crew, that was that one. Cut to the Action, the films of Ferdinando Baldi, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Howard Hughes, Texas Adios Contemporary Reviews, and then there's a little section about the restorations for those who are more interested in the technical side. So all in all, I think an excellent package. So I'm not sure whether it's available. I know that when I was ordering it, it was very hard to get hold of, because it was in and out of stock for ages, even though it's supposed to be released and was arriving in America. They didn't even send it to me because I was over here for a week and a half or so, which was a little bit concerning for a while, but it arrived eventually. So yeah, just sorting these things out of the way, and they're all back in there. That's lovely. Yep. Okay, so that is it. The 4K American release for Django with an extras disc, which is essentially a totally different film called Texas Adios, which is supposed to be regarded as I say, as a actually sequel to this, though I believe there are other Django movies as well, and not all of them, I believe, don't all of them have Franco Nero in. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed that quick unboxing, how quick was it? Oh, quite a while, I might cut bits out. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll find out next time I'm releasing any of my hauls, any of my unboxings, or anything else that I might have coming up in some free time soon. And again, okay, thank you very much indeed. Like I said, hope you enjoyed it. Keep on enjoying the movies, keep on enjoying the TV, keep on enjoying everybody else's YouTube, and hopefully keep on watching my stuff too. Cheers.